issued a special marine warning for North Mobile Bay, Perdido Bay area, South Mobile Bay, until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:24 a.m. Central Daylight Time, several strong bands of showers and thunderstorms will continue to move across the Warren area and produce gusty winds through the morning. The movement of the storms is northwest at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Arnica Bay, Gator Island, Weeks Bay, Dog River Bridge, East Fowl River Bridge, Onsacre Bay, Middle Bay Light, mouth of Mobile River, Alabama Port and Lillian Bridge. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama, northwestern Florida, and adjacent coastal waters. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, and Perdido Bay area. This is a special weather statement for the following area: in Alabama, Escambia, and in Florida, Escambia Inland. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of western Escambia and northwestern Escambia counties through 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:26 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 12 miles southwest of Brad, or 15 miles south of Atmore, moving northwest at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, winds in excess of 40 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds to knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Atmore, McCullough, Brad, I-65 and County Road 1, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 113, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 21 and Ports Creek Reservation. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for south central and southwestern Alabama and northwestern Florida. The following weather reports were made at 9 a.m.